Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys using the new Colourpop Strawberry Shake palette. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in our monthly giveaways, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so that you never miss a video, and then make sure you comment done if you live in the US, because our giveaways are unfortunately US only. So jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just put that all over my eyelid to cancel any discoloration and just to act as a primer for the eyeshadow that we are about to go in with. And I always go ahead and blend it out with a beauty sponge, and then I set it in place with some translucent powder just to make blending eyeshadows a lot smoother. So the palette that I went in with, like I said, is the Colourpop Strawberry Shake palette. Look at how beautiful the color selection is. This isn't sponsored or anything like that. None of our videos typically are sponsored. So yeah, we'll definitely disclose if our videos are sponsored, but I just love Colourpop right now, so that's why you see me using a lot of their palettes. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Paper Straw, which is like this light pink shade, and I just threw that in my crease as my transition shade, just as the background of just the shadows that we're about to go in with. So the next shade that I went in with is the shade Shake It Up, and I went in with a defined angled brush and I started to sketch out where I want to add the depth in my crease. And I typically make the line above my actual crease, and then I go back in with the first shade that I used. So I went back in with Paper Straw just to really blend out that line so that we still have definition, but it's super controlled, and then I blend it out with some of the previous shade that we applied. And then on the lid, I took this Jelly Much eyeshadow from Colourpop in the shade Strawberry Jam, and this shade is so freaking beautiful. If I could be an eyeshadow, I would be this shade right here. It honestly just swept me off my feet. I absolutely love that shade. It's just so beautiful. I think I'm going to be wearing it a lot more often. And for lashes, I went in with my Sofie lashes in the style Bali. I will always leave a link in the description box below for our lashes. If you guys didn't know, Sofie is our lash brand. And yeah, I just went ahead and applied those lashes. And then I decided to add some depth to the lower lash line. So I went back into the shade Shake It Up, and I went in with a really detailed brush, and I focused that shade on the outer corner of my eye and lightly feathered it inward, but mainly kept it on the outer portion of the lower lash line. And then I went in with the shade Paper Straw once again, and I just buffed that all over the lower lashes. And yeah, can you guys believe that I only used 3 eyeshadows to create this look? You definitely don't have to have a lot of makeup in your collection to create different types of looks, and I hope that our tutorials really showcases that, because a lot of the looks that we upload here, we're just using 2 or 3 eyeshadows, so I think that's super cool. Definitely, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Hit that bell button so that you never miss a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye!